So any update on solar?
No, solar, we are inviting tenders to operate it. कळ्ळें न्ही it is for now revenue generation because we tried putting it for passengers. Passengers आम्ही 3 महिने चलयले तेन्ना तातूंत भितर पॅसेंजरय कोण येना आमी एम्प्टी ट्रिप्स मारून पळयले बिकॉज तातूंत भितर व्हेकल्स वचना 4 व्हिलर 2 व्हिलर वचपाची येना ती फक्त पॅसेंजर आसा सो इट कूड बी बेस्ट युज्ड फॉर टुरिझम पर्पज सो वी वील सी दॅट ते मेंटेनन्स सारके वचपाक जाय आनी ते करपा खातीर आमी टेंडर इन्वायट करतले आनी ती कोणाक तरी रेव्हेन्यू जनरेशन बेसिसाचेर दितले whoever is quoting highest revenue we will give it to them who will maintain it he will run for tourism activities and then he will pay. So as a government, we cannot do such kind of business because it's not viable because the salaries of all staff and my maintenance here. We have decided this thing to invite a tender.
So, but when it was not viable, then why the government?
No, that I was not a minister then. When I came, that boat had come. So, solar ferries म्हणून आशिल्ली. And I don't want to comment on anything since I have taken over as a ministry. I should see it is my responsibility now how to get the best revenue out of it to put in use.
What is the cost of that solar?
It was around 4 crores.
4 crores. जेन्ना आता ती टुरिझम पर्पज खातीर यूज करतले तेन्ना तुमच्या अंडर चलतली ती काय टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट
ना आमी कितें करतले आमचीच बोट इट इज आवर एसेट डिपार्टमेंट सोशल रिवर नॅव्हिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट so we will tender it the revenue will come to the concerned department and tourism it is not connected with I'm पळयतले की if we have to hand over to tourism or what we have to do it that modus operandi will be decided by our myself and chief minister.
So right now it is in working condition.
No, some minor repairs are required because since it was not used for a long period, I think some wirings are damaged झाल्ले आसात आनी तातूंत भितर ताजे ते हातूंतल्यान करताले न्ही सोलर ताजे चार्जींग आमकां पळोवपाक जाय दी बॅटरीज आर ओके ऑर नॉट.
Last time we heard about it, mouse has been eaten. That issue has been solved.
No, that was solved then. But now again, since it is idle, we have to verify. And ते व्हेरीफाय करता आसतना कोणाच्यानी आयज वचून हांवें इन्स्पेक्शन करून जायना न्ही वी नीड स्पेशलायज्ड पीपल बिकॉज विथ दीस बोट who has built it has not supported in maintaining it.